You are the key. A lot of people put authorities on a pedestal. They put techniques on the pedestal. They say, this technique must help me. This must help me. For you guys to have major success in spirituality, you need to listen to your guidance system. And your guidance system is your emotional guidance system in your body. All right. And guess what? You are literally the only one, not Joe Dispenza, not anyone else, not any crazy spirit, not Sadhguru, not any spiritual teacher knows how you feel in your body right now. You are the only one who knows that. Now, why is that important? Because your emotions show you your relationship to spirit. The happier you are, the more you are aligned with spirit, and the more amazing things come into your life. Now, some people are like, oh, but the circumstances, the emotions, I feel this way because this happened and I cannot do anything about my emotions. What are you talking about? I will prove you today that that is not true. By your focus is the biggest gift that you got in life. With your focus, I will show you easily that you have the ability to make yourself feel lighter. All right? But remember this, I want you to start making connections between what you think and what you feel. I want you to make the connection between what I say, what I think, and what I do, that feels lighter. I can't stress this enough. As soon as you make yourself the key, you will have the success that you were looking for. But because people get trained from little, raise my hand in school. Okay, teacher, you know better. Oh, mom, dad, you know better. Yeah, okay. And then you come into this relationship of the world that somehow you need to find something outside, which is so dumb. Like honestly, if you really think about it, right? And here's the funny thing about this. Most spiritual people talk about this, but they don't practice this. Most spiritual people are saying, yes, I'm spirit. I'm spirit. I'm spirit. But what does that really mean? That means you have everything you need, literally. No one else has it. And the only thing you got to do is raise your vibration. So I'm sure this inspired a lot of people, and we're going to use this now for practice. Okay. I wanted to give you guys this preface so you know that you guys are the key. So I'm giving you, because everybody is excited, and the people who are already here, they're like, start already. We know this. Yes, my love, but I needed to explain this to the new people. They needed it too. So I'm going to do now the example. It's totally possible that we're having so much fun on this call. It's totally possible that you will have a breakthrough. It's totally possible that you already enjoyed what I said. It's totally possible that you resonate with it. It's totally possible that today, for the first time, you will sense your power. It's totally possible that I'm at the right place, right time. It's totally possible that you are at the right place, right time. It's totally possible, and now I'm giving you guys some examples that you can fill in for yourself. It's totally possible that in 3 months, we're going to have 10,000 people on the Zoom calls. It's totally possible that in a year, I'm going to be on stages all over the world, or in 6 months, I'm going to be on stages all over the world. It's totally possible that my voice empowers so many people. I love that it's now 2025. I'm going to jumping ahead, and I'm doing it. You don't have to, that was it's totally possible. Just remember it's totally possible. But I'm going to jump ahead for a second, give you a preview of the next game, which we're not going to start at first. It's 2025 now. I remember in 2021, I was on this amazing Zoom call with these beautiful people. And this Zoom call was magical. It was the breakthrough. It went viral on the internet. It was amazing. I loved how people afterwards that felt so light. You guys felt so amazing. You guys were so excited to start this experimental relationship with yourself. So forget about this game right now. I'm going to explain it fully later. But for now, it's totally possible. And you can bring in, it's totally possible that in 6 months, I have a job that I love. It's totally possible that my mom, my dad, my brother feel so much more healthy and vital. It's totally possible that they're going to be proud of me. It's totally possible that I meditate more. It's totally possible that I work out more. It's totally possible that I laugh more. It's totally possible that I'm more carefree. It's totally possible that by raising my vibration, I find a beautiful relationship in 6 months. It's totally possible by getting more aligned with myself, I attract more abundance. Do you guys see what I'm doing? Give me a finger up, hands up, whatever you guys want to do. Say hi. Yes, I love it. All right.